Hi, everybody. Hope everyone's having a good holiday season so far. My name's Stefano, and this is my final project for computer graphics. The idea behind this was to make a sort of space colony on Mars. As you can see here, it's not very realistic looking, but one thing to note is that it is procedurally generated, which is kind of the whole point of the assignment. I wanted to create a city based off algorithms. And I got the idea from some video that was shared to us in class and as well as in the final project ideas. But I'll go ahead and show you guys the implementation. So we're compiling on Windows. I did test this on my Mac prior to hopping on. So it is cross-platform. That is until I start trying to fix the textures. It has been a nightmare. Don't even get me started, but seemed to work for the ground and seemed to work for the cube map, and then it also worked for the sun. So not sure why the random cubes didn't work out. Oops. So what is this called again? Project. So it's reading in a lot of files, but we can see that we can walk around our bit of Mars and our little space village. Not quite exciting yet, not too much detail or shading for that matter. But I am really happy that we got the cube map and we got a light coming in as well. The sun also gives off a light. So I am happy that at least a few of the things I wanted worked. Yeah, so let me take you really quickly through the implementation. This is really based off of assignment 11. And then interestingly enough, when we go into this grid here, this is the code that I had used. And basically what I'm doing is taking these, the object OBJ file parser that we had made, integrated it into the code, and I'm using that to load in cubes. Those cubes, then I'm just translating them randomly, scaling them randomly, and as well as just kind of moving them around here. And with the random library that allows me, to have a distribution, so they can be between 5 and 20 units tall, 1 to 3 units wide, and then there's a position offset. It's kind of like a tolerance band. So overall, it's a pretty exciting thing to get working. I am a little upset about the textures, but ultimately, I think it was a very good learning lesson and ready for the next one. Hope you guys have a great holiday season. Take care.